Imagine capturing crystal clear, high-quality audio, isolating your voice from all the background noise and never having to worry about your microphone dying in the middle of a shoot. Sounds too good to be true? Well, meet the Deity D3 Pro, the microphone that's about to change the game for your videos. Hi guys, my name is Tiago, hope you all doing well, and today we're diving deep into why the Deity D3 Pro, even though being a 5-year-old microphone already, still stands out. Whether if you're a filmmaker, a YouTuber, or a podcaster, the Deity D3 Pro is designed to make your audio sound professional and polished. Starting with the price, the Deity D3 Pro retails at the time of recording of this video for around $190 for the base kit and $50 more if you wanna get it with a XLR converter grip. And you can actually save some extra bucks and buy it secondhand, really cheap and in very good conditions. So right out of the box, the Deity D3 Pro's base kit comes with the microphone itself, a nice foam windscreen, a very cool cold shoe adjustable shock mount, a USB-C charging cable, a 3.5mm TRRS jack cable, and it also used to come with a hard carrying case, which is very cool and high quality, and it helps to protect your microphone. But I think that Deity does not include those anymore. And thinking about it, even though this is a very cool and high quality carrying case, it's very big and chunky, and I find myself just throwing it into the drawer and never using it. So it's not a big deal anyways. Next up, we got the Stepless gain knob, which is not just any volume control. It allows for ultra precise adjustments on the fly, and you can add up to plus 20 decibels of gain. No more fiddling with tiny buttons or scrolling through endless menus, just smooth, easy control. And this is perfect for when you need to dial exact audio levels, whether if you're on a quiet studio space or in a bustling street. The D3 Pro is all about versatility. So even though it only comes with a TRRS jack cable, thanks to its smart capability, it recognizes and automatically adjusts to whatever device you plug it into, be it a camera, a phone or a laptop, one mic to fit them all. This mic also got a Super-Cardioid pattern, and this means that it zeroes in on your voice and minimizes the background noise. It's ideal for capturing every word clearly, even in challenging environments. Worried that you run out of juice? Well, the D3 Pro's rechargeable battery lasts up to 51 hours on a single charge. That's more than 2 entire days of non-stop recording. And also it can charge while still recording via USB-C port with a power bank or your usual power outlet. And it has this amazing feature where it knows if your camera is on or off, and when you turn your camera off, it actually goes into standby mode, which if you are someone like me that will most likely forget to turn it off along with the camera, will save you a ton of battery life. One of the cooler features about this microphone are its low-cut filters at 75Hz or 150Hz, perfect to clear out some wind noise or the hum of an air conditioner. Just press a button and enjoy clear audio. But do keep in mind that even though these low-cut filters are very useful in most scenarios, there are extreme conditions where you might need to take a different approach. For example, if you're recording on a very windy location, you're probably better off if you throw it a dead cat, which is this thing right here. And this will probably be a more appropriate solution. Before we jump into the final thoughts, just want to give you guys a quick shout out. Today marks 30 days since I released the first video on this channel, and we are already over 50 subscribers and 2500 views. Thank you, you guys absolutely rock. And if you are new to this channel, well, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this type of content and join our growing community. So why do I recommend the Deity V-Mic D3 Pro? Well, the features I just told you about make it a powerhouse for any content creator. Plus, I think it looks very nice, got this crazy slick design, and I've been using this mic for over 4 years now, and I've never felt the need to upgrade it. However, no product is perfect, and even though I love this microphone, there's a couple things I would love to see improved in a future model. For example, the battery life on this microphone is off the hook, so off the hook that I sometimes even forgot that I got to charge it. And in those cases, there's a LED indicator that lights red. But I would feel more comfortable if there was some kind of a battery percentage indicator, something along those lines. A wireless connection via cold shoe mount would also make an improvement out of this world, but the improvement I think that would have the most impact was the capability of USB-C recording when plugged to your laptop, and in this case your 3.5mm input would become an output so that you can monitor your audio without any kind of latency. Now, I know I've just told you that you can just plug it straight into your computer via 3.5mm jack and record off of it. And you can, but I've felt that I don't enjoy the sound quality when I do stuff like that. I mean, I think that the microphone loses a lot of its character. So what I ended up doing is I got this jack to XLR converter and I plugged the microphone on a M-Audio interface, and this setup works just perfectly. The only problem is if I want to work on the go, like if I'm traveling or something, I need to take this whole setup with me, and I'd rather just take the microphone and the USB-C cable and just plug it on my laptop and keep all the sound quality that this microphone can offer. So this is actually an improvement that would make a big difference. But overall, the D3 Pro makes a top-notch choice for those serious about their audio quality. And what about you? Have you ever used the D3 Pro? Just let your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you have any questions or any doubts about this product, well, just let me know. I myself am very happy with this microphone, and I do recommend it because its amazing features and audio quality make it a great cost-to-benefit product. I will probably only upgrade it if it ever breaks down on me, or if I start to travel a lot and work while doing it. So yeah, smash that like button if you enjoyed, and keep creating awesome content. I see you on the next one.